apple. You sit by me. Okay. We did this when we got the swimming box set, so figured we'd do the same one for faces. And we got ours really late compared to everyone else, and I pre-ordered it still, so, but whatever.
We got it nonetheless.
Nonetheless, so. I was waiting to open it so I could film it for you guys. Also, last time we filmed this, that was the day you proposed, wasn't it? Or no, it was the next day.
Yeah, I think it was the next day.
We're married now.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm ready.
It's gonna be neat. I've wanted this on vinyl.
It's been impossible.
It's just such a neat album cover.
It's heavy.
There's 4 of them in there.
So, Mac actually drew this himself.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and he wanted it to be the cover. Except it was just like a pencil drawing.
Right.
His brother actually did this. Yeah, and it's actually, I think it's a little different than the original.
The original had one of those guys up here.
Something like that.
Standing right there.
I don't know.
I'm just going to use my knife to open this so that we can keep the plastic.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Well, it's got something on there, so.
Okay.
Kind of particular about vinyls.
Ooh, okay, I'm gonna look at this one first. Aww. It's, Ralph.
Yeah.
And then it's got
that's so cool. That's
I
like,
don't have the other poster hanging up.
That's different.
The poster from the Swimming in Circles.
Yeah. That's so cool.
And then it's got all the credits.
Dang, that's a piece right there. Gotta keep that safe and sound.
This is interesting.
Yeah.
I don't know which way to look at it.
Whichever way you want. That's so cool.
Yeah. Okay. So we got 4 discs in here. I'm gonna put this.
They all have their own individual cover.
Or there's
Always
3.
one.
Yeah, there's 3.
And yeah, and they're all different colors, so I don't know how into vinyl anybody is, but I feel like it's always cooler whenever there's colored discs instead of just black.
So this is side 1. Does it have all the lyrics? Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Mr. Davis.
Oh, that's such a cool color. It's like clear.
It's like a
Damn.
They call this like Coke bottle.
That's so dope. Oh, okay, that makes
records,
sense.
yeah, they call it like the Coke bottle.
Yeah, it makes sense. So it's not really green or clear. It's like a mix.
So
that's so cool.
This is side 1.
Yeah, because this is kind of a long album, so I guess I'm not surprised that it's on 3. I'm excited to see the color of this one.
This is side, 3 and 4.
Ooh.
Whoa.
I figured it was gonna be like purple, like this one, or like the.
And then.
Does it spell out faces too? Like on the.
Yeah.
That's cool. So that's another way you can tell. Oh, that's so cool.
I love it. I'm so
Dang.
excited. This is so special.
It's neat. I'm so glad that we could get it like together.
And this
this one just has the bonus
track on it.
on that side.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Oh,
We've got
stoked.
literally everything but. Well, okay, we don't have we're kind of close, but we're kind of not. We need Macadelic, we need watching movies, we need I Love Life, Thank You.
That one's on vinyl?
I'm pretty sure you can get it.
They're probably gonna release it.
Do I have? I don't know if I don't have Best Day Ever. Do I?
Yeah. I think Best Day Ever. I thought.
No, you got me Divine Feminine and Blue Side Park.
No.
Devin got me Kids. I bought Swimming. I bought you Swimming in Circles. I bought Circles. So we've got a few to complete the selection. Plus there's a couple
I'm sure you could find Larry Lovestein
mixtapes out there too that we don't have. But yeah, so I Love Life, Thank You, On and Beyond. I don't know if they made that one.
Oh, I feel like they did. Wow.
But that's a big one, because before it re-released, it was hard to find, and it was like $100. But this pre-ordered for like 40, I think, and it's like special because
60.
it's definitely not your typical. It's a lot more special because they re-released it. They put a lot of thought into making sure that it was great, and there's a few little tidbits that you wouldn't have gotten with a regular one. So
Well, and it's just something we'll have forever.
yeah, so cool. I'm excited. We need to play that like tomorrow or something.
Okay, bye.
Just let me